You walk into a coffee shop and you have no idea how to pull an espresso shot. You don't know. The card machine talks to the bank. You don't even know the barista's name. And yet, in about 90 seconds, you walk out with exactly what you wanted. That is not luck. That is not magic. That is a system. Working behind the scenes so well, you never had to think about even 1 second. I'm going to show you this exact same thing, the thing happening in the coffee shops 1,000,000 times a day, is the clearest, simplest way to understand what the world is calling Agentic AI. No jargon, no AI taking over the world, just a system, just a job, the way a good barista does. Here is what nobody tells you about AI in business right now. Most people think AI means a chatbot. You type a question, it takes back an answer. That is it, and that is the whole thing.
That's it. That's it.
But look, that is useful. I'm not saying it is not, but that is not Agentic AI. That is a vending machine. You press a button and you get a candy bar. No, one input, one output. No thinking involved. Decisions, no steps, no consequence. The vending machine doesn't care.
Mom, you had one job.
If you wanted nuts instead, it doesn't follow up. It doesn't remember you. It just drops the candy bar and waits for the next person. And now compare that with a coffee shop. The coffee shop takes your order, thinks about what you need, uses the right equipment, charges your card, and hands you a finished result. And that is the difference between a chatbot and an agent. One responds and the other acts. And if AI has felt overhyped to you, if you have tried it and thought it has really it, you have been using the vending machine. You have not seen the coffee shop yet. Let me show you the coffee shop right now and watch it like a replay. Step 1. You walk up and say,
Hey there, can I get a large latte and the soup of the day?
Absolutely, coming right up.
something happened, a signal was sent, and that is what we call a trigger in automation. A trigger is an event that kicks off the process, a new email, a form submitted, a lead coming in, something happened, and the system woke up. Step 2, the barista doesn't just react randomly, she doesn't guess, she has a mental recipe. Milk, 2 shots, steamed, not too hot. She reasoned through what needs to happen based on your input. In an AI agent, this is the model thinking through what steps to take based on the instruction it was given. Step 3, she doesn't make the coffee with her bare hands. She uses tools. The grinder, the espresso machine, the steamer. Each tool does exactly one job and does it well. An AI agent works the same way. It reaches out to external tools, a spreadsheet, an email sender, a calendar, a database, instead of trying to do everything itself. Step 4, she charges your card, and this is the part most people forget when they talk about AI. The system is not just thinking, it is not just planning, it is taking real action with real consequences. Money moved, a record was created. Something in this world actually changed. Step 5, she hands you the cup, output delivered, loop closed. You got exactly what asked for, that is trigger, reasoning, tool use, and action output. This is the entire architecture of AI agent. 5 steps, that's it. And you just watch them to play out over a $5 latte. Now, here is where this gets real for anyone running a business. Think about what happens when a potential customer finds your website at 9 in the evening. They're ready and they want a quote. They fill in your contact form and hit submit. And then they wait. You are at dinner, your phone is on silent. By the time you reply next morning, they have already booked someone else. That gap, the gap between the moment someone raises their hand and the moment you respond, that's where leads die every day. For almost every small business. What if you never had that gap again? What if the moment someone submitted your form, they received a professional reply, in under 60 seconds, their details were already logged into a sheet, and you woke up to a fully organized list of everyone who reached out overnight. No assistant, no late nights, no misleads. This is what we are building right now. No code, real output, Let me show you. The demo business that we are using is named Sparkline Home Services, a local home cleaning company, and real leads coming in and through a website. And here's the flow I have built inside N8N. This is a free no-code automation tool, 3 nodes, that's all. Node 1, the form trigger. This is the lead form a homeowner fills in which they want a cleaning quote from Sparkline, where N8N generates the hosts form automatically. No website needed, no developer needed. Node 2, Google Sheets. The moment the form is submitted, the lead details get written as a new row into a Google Sheet automatically. Name, email, services needed, message, timestamp, all of it. Node 3, Gmail. Simultaneously, a personalized follow-up email goes out to the homeowner from the Sparkline business email. 3, form to sheet to email. And this is the whole thing. Now watch this happen live. I'm going to play the role of a homeowner right now. I have found Sparkline online. I want a deep clean code, and I'm filling this in at 9:30 at night. So I fill in my name, Himadri Sain. I put my email. I choose service, deep clean, and put a message looking for full deep clean before my parents visit next. Submitting now. The form confirms it. Himadri's message has been received. Now watch tab 2. Himadri's row is already there. Name, email, service, messages, timestamp, logged in automatically, and nobody typed this manually. Now tab 3, Himadri's email has arrived, personalized with his name, mentioning this specific service I asked, professional, warm, sent in under 60 seconds. And if I jump into the N8N canvas quickly, see the green ticks, every node ran successfully. Trigger fired, sheet updated, email sent, and this is our coffee shop. Trigger reasoning tool use action and output, playing out the real time for a real business problem.
Here's. Hey, now we're talking.
I want to be honest with you about something. My first version of this flow had an error.
Houston, we have a problem.
The email went out with a blank name field because I had the wrong expression in the email node. I caught it, fixed one field, rerun it in about 4 minutes. But that's not failure. That is just what building looks like. Nobody first version is the polished one. The point is the system work. When someone is off, you fix one thing, not the whole machine. Now here is why this matters. If you run a small or a growing business, you do not have a team of 20 people who can follow up with every lead in 5 minutes. You have 3 people doing the job of 8. Your team is good at the work. They are not good at being awake at 9 p.m. waiting for a form submission. This kind of system doesn't replace your team and was never meant to do. It's immediate, it's automatic, never misses a step part. Your people get to do actually needs a human, the judgment call, the relationship, the trust. The barista doesn't get replaced by the espresso machine. She gets to focus on the customer instead of grinding beans by hand.
I'm free and freedom.
And before we wrap up, I want to give you something you can use today, not a download, not a link, something right here, right now. Every time you look at a task in your business and wonder if you can automate it, ask yourself this 5 questions. Pause and take a screenshot if you want them. What is your event that would start this process? A form, an email, a new booking, something happening that kicks it off. What does someone have to figure out or decide in the middle of this task? If nothing, it is even easier to automate. What apps or systems are already involved? Email, spreadsheets, a CRM, a calendar. If you can name them, we can connect them. What changes in the real world when this task is done? A record is created, a message is sent, a file is updated, you name it. And what is the output that will make you happy? What does the finished product, the result actually looks like? If you can describe it clearly, we can build towards it. So 5 questions. Write them on a sticky note, put them next to your laptop. The next time someone on your team spends an hour doing something repetitive, run it through this 5 questions. You will know within 2 minutes whether it can be automated. Let me bring everything together in one sentence. Agentic AI is a system that takes a trigger, reasons through what to do, uses the right tools, takes a real action, and delivers a real output. The exact same 5 steps as your local coffee shop, just running on a different kind of a counter. This Sparkline flow you just watched is a real working example of this 5 steps solving a real business problem. A lead come in, the system thought, the tool fired, the action was taken, output delivered, cup handed over. This is episode 1 of AI Automation for Non-Tech Pros. Every episode follows the same format: a real object, a real transaction, a real build, a real business problem. If this helped you in any way, please follow and subscribe. And in the next episode is about how a GTM system uses multi-agent systems where multiple agents work together like a brigade of chefs, each running their own station. If you have a business process you want to automate, you are not sure where to start, drop it in the comments. I read everyone and pick real viewer problems for future episodes. See you in the next one. Take care.